Hi, my name is Alex and I'm going to show you how you can use AI Flowchat to write out your video scripts. I'm going to show you how you build out your context using various reference materials like videos from Instagram, from TikTok, and how you might prompt the chat to help you ideate and refine the scripts with you. So let's get started. What we have here is a brand new flow, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of them and just going to delete it, because we're going to make the whole thing from scratch. And the first thing I'm going to do is just to drag in a chat, and now you can see we created a chat node. And the chat node works just like ChatGPT. I have a prompt input here where I can write anything, and I can create a new chat here on the left to reset the conversation if I want to, just like that. And so now what we want to do is we want to bring in some reference material into the chat. I have a TikTok channel where I'm posting videos regularly. This is my channel, as you can see. And so what I want to do is I'm going to teach the AI how I'm talking and bring in some materials from my channel so that it also knows a little bit about who I am, what I've done, and some of the topics that I usually talk about. And the easiest way to do that is to just copy the link and paste it into the whiteboard. So I'm just going to do that. So let's take a few of my videos. Let's take this one, copy the link, go back to AI Flowchat, paste it in here, and maybe drag it to the side. And let's do it for a few of these videos. So let's take this one where I'm talking about ChatGPT 5. And let's move it over here. And let's do 2 more. And that's it. All right, so now we have 4 videos. And we need to tell the AI that these videos are related and that it's my videos. And the easiest way to do that is to select all of them, right click, and then click on Group Selected Nodes. This will create a group, and in that group we can give it a label. So we can say it my videos from TikTok. And so when we reference this group, it will know the context that we are giving it. So in this example, we have the context, we have these videos, it's my videos, and then I have my talking points in those videos. And so we can connect that to the chat here. And now I can ask the chat to describe my tone of voice from my videos. So I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna select a perhaps better model. So I'm gonna pick 4.1 and I'm just gonna send it. And so now it reads my videos and tries to analyze them as best as it can. And of course, I can tweak this prompt and make it a little bit better. It's up to you. Now the AI knows a little bit about how I'm talking. It knows a little bit about my background and of what are the topics that I'm talking about usually. There's this creator called Yoniman, and he's one of my favorite content creators on Instagram. And I want to make videos just like him. So I'm going to take this video here. I think it has around 1 million views. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to paste it in here. So now you can see we have links from TikTok, we have links from Instagram, and all of that can be fed into the chat. Actually, before I feed it, I'm going to group it because I'm going to tell the AI a little bit about what it is it sees here. And this is Yoniman's high performing video. Cool. And now I'm gonna drag the group into the chat here. Going over to the chat now, I'll ask it to describe Yoniman's video, just so that I'm sure that it sees it. So I'm gonna do that. So now I'm going to ask it to come up with a hook and an outline for this video. I want to create a video about the same topic and style as Yoniman. Please come up with a hook for the video and an outline. So I'm just going to send that. Finally, I'm just going to wrap it up by having it write the full transcript in my tone of voice about the topic that he is talking about. And let me just collapse this so we can see a little bit more. Cool. And so now we have a full script that the AI wrote for us using context that it knows about us, how we are talking, our background, like the topics that we usually talk about, and then we gave it a reference videos about something that we want it to get inspiration from. I hope you find a lot of use in AI Flowchat, and if there's anything, please let me know. I'll see you guys.